PopShort AI has just been released, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. If you're looking for an AI tool that's revolutionizing content creation and streamlining workflows, this is one you'll want to stick around for. In this review, I'm going to break down everything you need to know, from the standout features to how it compares to other software. And the best part? You can try PopShort AI for free with the link below so you can see for yourself if it's the right fit for your needs. First up, PopShort AI is all about simplifying short-form content creation. Whether you're creating social media posts, marketing campaigns, or ad copy, PopShort has streamlined the process with powerful AI. It does an impressive job of generating creative, engaging text with minimal input, so you can spend less time brainstorming and more time executing your content strategy. One of the most valuable features is its ability to create catchy headlines and hook sentences that draw people in. The AI analyzes your target audience and tailors the content to grab attention right from the start, which is crucial when trying to cut through the noise in today's competitive digital landscape. Another huge benefit is the platform's speed. While most AI tools can be slow and clunky, PopShort is optimized for quick results. It takes just seconds to generate ideas, making it a perfect solution for digital marketers and content creators on tight deadlines. In fact, you can generate dozens of different variations of any piece of content, allowing you to test and iterate quickly. PopShort also includes an impressive content optimizer. It doesn't just generate content, it also suggests tweaks to improve readability and engagement. This takes the guesswork out of writing and allows you to deliver high-quality, optimized copy every time. So whether you're writing an ad, a blog post, or social media content, you'll know it's hitting the mark with your audience. Next, one of the most unique aspects of PopShort AI is its integration with social media platforms. You can directly schedule and publish content from within the app, saving you time and effort while ensuring consistency across your digital channels. This means you don't need to jump between different tools to manage your content, making your workflow far more efficient. But it's not just about creating content. PopShort AI can analyze performance metrics and help you track how well your content is doing across platforms. With real-time insights into engagement, you can refine your strategy and focus on what works. It also offers seamless collaboration tools, which is a game changer for teams. Whether you're a solo creator or part of a larger marketing team, you can easily share projects and get feedback, making it simple to stay aligned on your goals. With everything in one place, it streamlines the entire content creation and distribution process. Finally, the versatility of PopShort is one of its biggest selling points. It's not just for marketers or content creators, it's an ideal tool for anyone looking to improve their written content. Whether you're an entrepreneur, small business owner, or part of a large team, PopShort AI can be a valuable asset to your digital toolkit. Before you dive in, remember that you can try PopShort AI for free with the link below. I've tested countless AI tools, and I've included my recommended ones in the description as well. If you're serious about optimizing your content workflow and getting ahead in the digital space, give PopShort AI a try and see if it works for you.